Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered about the mysteries it holds? And what role does the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, play in unraveling these mysteries? The universe, a vast expanse of timeless wonder, has always intrigued us. From the earliest humans who mapped the stars to today's advanced space explorations, our curiosity of what lies beyond our blue planet has never faltered. Space exploration is not just about satisfying our curiosity, it's also about understanding our place in the cosmos and harnessing the potential of space technology for the betterment of life on Earth. In this grand theater of celestial exploration, ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization, plays a pivotal role. From launching India's first satellite to reaching Mars, ISRO's journey has been one of steady progress and remarkable achievements. Today, we're going to delve into the journey of ISRO, from its inception to its current missions. The dawn of ISRO dates back to the 15th of August 1969, established by Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. The seed of India's space exploration was sown by a visionary, a physicist, and a true pioneer in every sense, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Pioneering the Indian space program, he is often fondly remembered as the father of the Indian space program. His belief in the power of space technology and its potential to drive the growth and development of India laid the foundation for the Indian Space Research Organization, a beacon of India's scientific prowess. In the late 60s, when the world was engrossed in the space race, Sarabhai recognized the potential of space technology beyond just a show of power. He envisioned it as a tool for development, a means to leapfrog the conventional limitations of infrastructure and reach the farthest corners of the country. He believed that in a country as vast as India, with its diverse geographical terrain and scattered populace, space technology could play a pivotal role in bridging the gaps in communication, education, meteorology, and more. Sarabhai's vision wasn't just limited to harnessing space technology for India's development. He also foresaw the potential of India being a significant player on the global space arena. He believed that India could make substantial contributions to space science and technology, and therefore he worked tirelessly towards building a robust space program that was self-reliant and innovative. ISRO was thus born out of this vision, an institution that aimed to harness space technology for national development, while also pursuing space science research and planetary exploration. It was a bold and ambitious dream, but Sarabhai was a man of determination and conviction. He worked relentlessly towards his vision, laying the groundwork for what would become one of the most successful space programs in the world. From its humble beginnings, ISRO has grown into a world-class space agency, achieving numerous milestones and making India proud on many international platforms. And all this was possible because of the vision and foresight of one man, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. This marked the beginning of an extraordinary journey in the field of space technology and exploration. In the initial years, ISRO's focus was primarily on developing satellite technology. The 1960s and 70s were a time of great excitement and anticipation. It was a time when the impossible was becoming possible, and a new era was dawning. This was particularly true for the Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, which was taking its first steps into the vast expanse of space. The primary objective during these early years was to harness the power of satellite technology. This was a field that held immense potential, not just for exploration, but for communication, remote sensing, and meteorological purposes as well. It was a domain that could revolutionize the way we lived, worked, and understood the world around us. Amidst this backdrop of ambition and aspiration, India launched its first satellite, Aryabhata, into space in 1975. This was a historic moment that marked India's entry into the world of space exploration. But it wasn't just ISRO's entry into space. It was a statement to the world that India had arrived on the global stage. Named after the famous Indian mathematician and astronomer, Aryabhata was a symbol of India's rich scientific heritage and its bright future. The launch of Aryabhata was facilitated by the Soviet Union, a testament to the global cooperation that characterizes space exploration. It was an endeavor that transcended borders and brought nations together in the pursuit of knowledge and discovery. But Aryabhata was more than just a satellite. It was a stepping stone. It paved the way for a series of satellites that would follow. each one more advanced and sophisticated than the last. These satellites would go on to play a crucial role in various fields, from weather forecasting and disaster management to telecommunications and defense. The launch of Aryabhata was a turning point, a moment when ISRO's vision started turning into reality. It was a moment that sparked a revolution in India's space journey, a journey that continues to this day. As we look back at these early years, we see a time of great determination and resolve. We see a time when a young organization was taking its first steps into the unknown, driven by a vision and a dream. This laid the foundation for ISRO's future satellite programs. It was a time when the seeds were being sown for a journey that would take India to the stars and beyond. The 1980s marked a significant phase in ISRO's journey with the initiation of SLV and ASLV programs. As the dawn of the 80s broke, ISRO embarked on a new mission. The Satellite Launch Vehicle, or SLV, and Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle, also known as ASLV, programs were initiated. These programs weren't just another step in space exploration, they were a leap towards India's independent satellite launch capabilities. The SLV program was ISRO's first attempt at developing a launch vehicle capable of placing a payload in orbit. The remarkable success of this program came in the form of Rohini satellite RS-1, which was successfully launched into orbit in 1980. This achievement was a testament to the sheer determination and ingenuity of the scientists at ISRO. But ISRO didn't stop at that. The ASLV program was a step further, designed to augment the payload capacity of the SLV. Despite facing initial setbacks, the scientists at ISRO used these experiences to learn and grow, further strengthening their resolve. The journey didn't end with the SLV and ASLV programs. ISRO's thirst for innovation led to the development of the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, or PSLV, and the Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, known as GSLV. The PSLV was a game changer. It became renowned for its successful launches, earning a reputation for reliability that echoed across the world. On the other hand, the GSLV was developed with a specific purpose: to launch heavier payloads into geosynchronous orbit. These vehicles not only increased ISRO's launch capabilities, but also provided cost-effective launch services. They were a testament to ISRO's commitment to utilizing space technology for the development of the nation while keeping an eye on the budget. The successful development and deployment of these vehicles were clear indicators of ISRO's growth and independent capabilities. It was a statement to the world. India was no longer just a participant in the space race, it was a contender. ISRO had successfully developed its independent launch capabilities, and with that, ISRO had etched its name in the annals of space exploration history. ISRO then turned its focus towards remote sensing and Earth observation. This shift was marked by the launch of the Indian Remote Sensing, or IRS, series of satellites, a significant milestone in ISRO's illustrious journey. These satellites have been instrumental in providing crucial data for a variety of applications, effectively transforming the way we understand and interact with our planet. Imagine this. A farmer in a remote part of India can now plan his crop cycles better, thanks to the accurate weather forecasts and soil data provided by these satellites. Or consider the vast forests of India, where the IRS satellites help monitor deforestation and forest health, aiding in conservation efforts. But that's not all. When calamity strikes in the form of floods or cyclones, these satellites play a critical role in disaster management, providing real-time data to aid rescue operations. In the bustling cities, urban planners have a bird's-eye view, literally. They use data from IRS satellites to plan infrastructure, manage traffic, and monitor urban growth. It's like having a magic lens that provides a clear view of our changing world, allowing us to make informed decisions and strategies. This shift in focus to remote sensing and Earth observation was a game changer. It was not just about launching satellites into space, it was about harnessing space technology to bring about tangible changes on the ground. This established ISRO's dominance in remote sensing. ISRO then set its sights beyond our planet, launching interplanetary missions. In 2008, ISRO embarked on its first lunar mission, Chandrayaan-1, etching a new chapter in India's space exploration history. It was an audacious attempt, and it paid off in a big way. Chandrayaan-1 made significant discoveries, the most noteworthy being the detection of water molecules on the moon's surface. This revelation sparked a renewed interest in lunar exploration worldwide, underscoring the mission's impact. But ISRO didn't stop there. In 2013, it launched the Mars Orbiter mission, affectionately known as Mangalyaan. The mission's primary objective was to demonstrate India's capability to reach the Martian orbit, and it did so with flying colors. Mangalyaan made India the first country to reach Mars on its maiden attempt, and the fourth space agency globally to achieve this feat. Beyond this, the mission provided valuable data about the Martian atmosphere and surface, contributing to our understanding of the Red Planet. Then came Chandrayaan-2 in 2019, a mission that aimed to explore uncharted territories on the Moon. The mission targeted the South Polar region of the Moon, an area that hadn't been explored by any previous mission. While the lander's soft landing attempt wasn't fully successful, the orbiter continues to provide valuable data, contributing to our understanding of the lunar surface. Despite the setbacks, Chandrayaan-2 marked a significant step forward in ISRO's lunar exploration efforts. These missions weren't just about reaching other planets. They were about showcasing India's technological prowess, about inspiring a new generation of scientists and engineers. They were about proving that with determination and ingenuity, any barrier can be overcome. It's this spirit of exploration and discovery that drives ISRO that's at the heart of its interplanetary missions. ISRO's journey beyond our planet has been a testament to its bold vision and relentless pursuit of knowledge. These missions have not just been successful in achieving their scientific objectives, but they have also put ISRO on the global map of space exploration, earning it a place among the world's leading space agencies. These missions put ISRO on the global map of space exploration. ISRO has also made significant strides in satellite navigation. In the realm of navigation, the Indian Space Research Organization has developed an autonomous regional satellite navigation system known as Navigation with Indian Constellation, or Navi-C for short. Navi-C is a constellation of 7 satellites that provides real-time positioning and timing services over the Indian landmass and region extending up to 1,500 kilometers around India. This system, akin to the Global Positioning System of the United States, is designed to provide accurate position information service to users in India and the surrounding region. The benefits of Navi-C are manifold. By providing reliable location data, it enhances the precision of various applications, from vehicle tracking and fleet management to disaster management. It also plays a crucial role in navigation for fishermen in the Indian Ocean, guiding them to potential fishing zones and ensuring their safety at sea. But ISRO's vision reaches far beyond our planet's orbit. As we speak, the wheels are in motion for a series of promising upcoming missions. One of these missions is the Gaganyaan, which is set to be India's first manned space mission. This mission is a testament to ISRO's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The Gaganyaan mission aims to send a crew of 2 to 3 astronauts to orbit around the Earth for up to 7 days. This mission is not just about sending humans to space, it's about the technological advancements and innovations that come with such a complex venture. It's about fostering a culture of scientific curiosity and exploration, and inspiring the next generation of scientists, engineers, and astronauts. Looking ahead, ISRO is also planning further exploration of celestial bodies, continuing the legacy of missions like Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan. These future endeavors will keep propelling ISRO, and indeed India, to the forefront of space research and exploration. ISRO continues to push the boundaries of space exploration. The story of ISRO is a testament to the power of dreaming big and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It's a story of overcoming challenges, of innovation, and of making the impossible possible. ISRO's journey has been a testament to India's technological advancements. From its humble beginnings in the late 60s, the Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, has grown into a world-renowned institution. Over the decades, it has consistently proven its mettle, pioneering a range of technological advancements and making significant contributions to space exploration. In its early years, ISRO concentrated on developing satellite technology for communication, remote sensing, and meteorological purposes. It reached a milestone with the launch of India's first satellite, Aryabhata, in 1975. This was followed by the development of the Satellite Launch Vehicle and Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle programs in the 80s, allowing India to establish its own indigenous launch capabilities. ISRO's successful development of the polar and geosynchronous satellite launch vehicles has not only provided reliable and cost-effective launch services, but has also placed India on the global map for space exploration. The organization's dominance in remote sensing, highlighted by the launch of the IRS series of satellites, has also made a significant impact in various fields, including agriculture, forestry, disaster management, and urban planning. The achievements of ISRO are not confined to Earth. With the successful launch of Chandrayaan-1, India's first lunar probe, and the Mars orbiter mission, ISRO has joined the elite group of space agencies that have reached the Moon and Mars. The development of the Navigation with Indian Constellation, an autonomous satellite navigation system, further showcases ISRO's commitment to technological advancement. ISRO's journey is not just about reaching new frontiers in space, it's about harnessing space technology for the country's development, improving lives, and inspiring future generations. As we look forward to the upcoming missions, including the Gaganyaan human spaceflight program and further exploration of celestial bodies, we are reminded of the potential and capabilities of our nation. ISRO continues to inspire us, reminding us that the sky is not the limit, but just the beginning.